Not all leather craft patterns are equal. Some are just not worth your time and effort. When you put so much work into something, you want it to create a wow effect. And this is where the design comes into play. Karlova Design creates stunning leather patterns with video tutorials that will make your jaw drop. Some of them are easy and suitable for beginners, but if you are looking for a challenge, there are some really complex pieces available. Visit karlovadesign.com, have a look and get inspired to create something truly amazing. And hey, there are also some free patterns available. New stuff is released regularly and you can subscribe to Karlova Design YouTube channel to make sure you will never miss anything. We also have a special club on Facebook with almost 20,000 talented people where you can share your work, ask a question or just look at what everyone else is making, as well as have some sneak peeks at the new designs before they get released. Come to the dark side, we have discounts.